Today, we will learn about the mold making process. Mold making is an important manufacturing process used to produce plastic parts. A mold is a specially designed metal tool that gives shape to molten plastic. Molds are widely used in industries because they allow the same product to be made again and again with high accuracy. The mold-making process starts with understanding the product. Engineers study the product's shape, size, thickness, and strength. This step is important because the mold must be designed exactly according to the product requirements. Step 2. Mold design using CAD software. Next, the mold is designed on a computer using CAD software. The design includes the mold cavity, runner system, gates, and cooling channels. This digital design helps ensure smooth plastic flow and proper cooling during production. Step 3. Selecting mold material. After the design is ready, the correct metal is selected to make the mold. Steel is commonly used because it is strong and long-lasting. Aluminum is sometimes used for simpler molds because it is easier to machine. Step 4. Preparing the metal block. The metal block is cut to the required size. It is cleaned and firmly mounted onto a CNC machine. Proper fixing is important to avoid vibration or errors during machining. Step 5. CNC machining, rough cutting. Now, CNC machining begins. In the rough cutting stage, the CNC machine removes excess metal quickly. This step creates the basic shape of the mold cavity, but the surface is still rough. Step 6. CNC machining, fine cutting. In fine cutting, smaller and more precise tools are used. The CNC machine adds details and improves accuracy. This step gives the mold its exact shape and dimensions. Step 7. Drilling and milling. Next, drilling and milling operations are performed. Holes are made for cooling channels, ejector pins, and screws. These features help the mold work efficiently during injection molding. Step 8. Finishing and polishing. After machining, the mold surface is polished. Polishing makes the surface smooth and improves the appearance of plastic parts. It also helps the product release easily from the mold. Step 9. Mold assembly. Now, all mold parts such as the core, cavity, and ejector system are assembled together. Proper alignment is checked to ensure smooth operation. Step 10. Inspection and testing. The completed mold is carefully inspected. Dimensions, surface finish, and fitting are checked. The mold is then tested on an injection molding machine to confirm it produces correct parts. Once testing is successful, the mold is ready for mass production. Mold making is a precise process that combines design, CNC machining, and finishing to create high-quality molds for manufacturing.